Hello, and welcome to IASET's video tutorial series, where we show you how to successfully navigate and utilize the IASET portal and its features. This topic is on uploading PDFs to your application. As a reminder, be sure that you are in Work on Application mode, as opposed to View Application. You will not be able to upload files in the viewing format. Now, once you get to the next page here, once it loads, please note that each element has its own designated space for uploading the evidence to satisfy that particular requirement. This allows for an orderly approach to your application. All evidence submitted must be in the form of PDF files. To upload a PDF, you have two choices. You may either drag and drop a file from your File Explorer from a folder, as so, or alternatively, you can click on this file drop box and it will pop open your File Explorer, and then you can navigate to the particular file that you want and you can click open, and that will upload it as well. Please note that the file size must be less than 50 megabytes. For most elements, there is a limit of one file per element, so you may need to combine several documents into one. Now, if you are working in a Microsoft Word document, you'll soon realize that you will need to convert that to a PDF file for it to be uploaded to your application. So, while you have the document open, simply click File, and then Save as Adobe PDF. You will be prompted to choose a location for your file where you'd like it to be saved. And once you've selected that, just hit Save. And you will now have both Word and PDF versions of your document, and it will be ready to be uploaded to your application. This concludes our topic on uploading PDFs to your application. Thank you for your time. Please contact the Accreditation Department with any questions you might have.